I'm Ella Fajardo. For decades, my life revolved around lecture halls as a professor at the Bulacan State University, Philippines, where English is our second language. I spent years teaching, guiding students, doing research, and presenting them to local and international audience, and diving deep into literature and language. Though I'm officially retired from the university, my passion for learning and teaching never retired. So I created this cozy space for everyone who loves language, communication, and the stories behind what we say. With that, welcome to the world of words. Words are everywhere. We think of them, we speak, listen, read, and write them. Using correct words in oral and in written forms builds credibility and trust that spells our academic and occupational success. Thank you for watching and see you in our very first episode as we explore the world of words. Bye for now.